In this video, I'm going to share with you two recipes. Both these dishes look very presentable, colourful, and taste super delicious. If you are new to this channel, my name is Dee. I create content on personal development, and I love sharing my passion with people around me. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So that's all we have for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you either enjoyed it or find it useful, and I look forward to seeing you in my next one. Bye for now.